You always play titles, more talent and more opportunities. Again, football can go very fast. You just sometimes one opportunity and you can be gone and gone to whatever Europe, Brazil. I've been to all these places. But I try to understand what is the needs of the players because I see you guys have the power, the speed. But you guys train on this type of pitches. I respect that. It's not easy. The ball bounces too much, so it takes too much time sometimes to control. But how can we resolve it? I think most of the pitches in the league are turf, right? AstroTurf. So why you guys need AstroTurf pitch also? Even though I'm not favorite fan of it because my knee, the AstroTurf. But it might be better. So I'm brainstorming with everybody behind the scenes now that I've showed my face here, and I try to do my best to make things change. But you guys do good. 3 points. You guys need 3 points to catch up with the other team. It's one game. And how many games are left? 3 games left.
Three
First round. Okay.
to 20.
Okay. So you guys have time. I like what I see. Keep going. Never give up. I respect all of you guys that show up to train every day, and I try to arrange something for the team to maybe play a friendly game against my team in Brazil. But I come back to that with the coach and everything. It's in the plans. So let's hope we can make it happen so that you guys also can showcase your talent in these friendly games. But don't be soft with my legs, huh? Sure. So nice to see you guys. I wish you guys all the best tomorrow. I don't know if I can make the game, but anyway, my eyes are now on your team because I'm involved now, and let's get to the next level. Okay? Thank you.
Good luck, coach.
And be hard on them, but not too hard. They need hugs sometimes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. We also want to thank you and your team for coming around to come see us.
Of course.
It's a great motivation for us, especially where most of the time we see on TV play, and being face to face with us, trying to share a few words with us is very motivating. We want to thank you and want to assure you that we'll keep working harder than you've seen today to make sure that you being part of the team, you also become proud of what the process is. So thank you for coming around, and thank you to your team.
Do I need to introduce myself? Okay. Okay. Okay, I go by the name Memphis, Depay, and do you guys have a team group chat? Or no? You guys don't do that? Yeah? Okay, maybe one day you can add me to see. I have to talk to the king of Tumfo if I can play here one day. Maybe if he can afford my salary, then maybe I can join one year.
You play for free.
Nothing in this world comes for free. I tell you. No, but what I say, I hope I can arrange that friendly game. Looking forward to it. Thank you, guys. Thank you.